สวัสดีค่ะ Good morning everyone. Today I will tell you how you will detox your body that will keep you healthy gut and whatever you eat the day before, which is like meat or fat or those things that you want to get it out. This is a good recipe. Number one, I'll tell you. First of all, you need to prepare a nice glasses because you will feel like if you have very good glasses, you will feel that you like to drink it. So this is my very good glasses that I got. And the first ingredient, 1 lemon juice or lime juice. But this one I use limes because it's nice smell. So we put that in. Now this is the honey. In this case, I only use 1 teaspoon. And now cayenne pepper. You can get like a quarter of teaspoon if you like more spicy. And actually cayenne pepper is very good for you. So I use a quarter of teaspoon. The next one is a cinnamon. So this is like 1/4 teaspoon as well. And horseradish. This is like 1/2 teaspoon. And garlic, minced garlic. So I use about 3 cloves garlics. So you mince it and then you put it in. Now you mix it. So the honey will be very sticky. We just pour in a bit hot water and mix until the honey dissolve. You see this nice color of the juice that we mixed. So that's not bad, isn't it? Now you can drink, and just guess what? You can't go out today. You're going to go to the toilet. All those bad fat, or those bad meats, or those things that you don't want to be in your bodies will come out quickly. Healthy.